Hi guys, welcome to topic 14, presenting business information. Okay, this will be lesson 1 of topic 14. Please copy the keywords from page 178 to 185 in your book for me. Okay, now the first topic of this topic is business reports. An evaluation of a particular issue that relates to the performance of a business, and this is normally done via a PowerPoint or a printout, etc. Okay, now the steps in drawing up a business report. Now, a business report is compiled to provide information about the business, which will help interested people to make decisions or solve problems. Okay, number 1. And again, if it is numbered, you should know the steps in the correct order. Number 1, determine the scope of the report. Okay, this includes the topic and details. Number 2, determine the target audience of the report. For who is it? What is expected? What is the education and their knowledge? Meaning, how informal or formal should you make your report? Number 3, determine how the report should be presented. What type of presentation will it be? Will it be a printout presentation? Will it be with PowerPoint? Should you use aids such as a projector, as speakers, printout, etc.? Number 4, determine how the information should be formatted. Decide on a layout. Okay, this means what is the most important, what will go first, what will go last, etc. Number 5, collect the necessary information. This you do by consulting various sources. Okay, so if you need to present the numbers of sales that went down during lockdown, for example, then obviously you need to be able to prove this, and this is where you collect the necessary information. Then number 6, compile the report. This is where you do the actual work and make it look like something. Okay, now the contents of a typical business report. To compile a business report, you should give a clear context of the reader, add supporting information, meaning you need to prove where you got your facts from, conclude the report. So in conclusion, I believe that sales went down by 30% due to lockdown because people were not able to go out and do shopping for luxuries. Prepare recommendations based on the findings of your report. So this is where you give your insider, or your, how can I say, your way of thinking, what would solve this problem. Okay, now first we have the content. Clearly describe the requirements detail. Clearly describe the activities you are engaged in, either handling it yourself or having outsourced them. Okay, so how are you getting all the information? And again, you need to prove this. Supporting information. Describe your progress. Refer directly to the activities mentioned above. Indicate at what stage you are in the entire project. Mention units completed, those in semi-completion stages, and so on. And describe any challenges that may occur. Okay, conclusion. Briefly summarize your report, including any key findings. Remember, people can get lazy when reading a report and skip to the end. Okay, recommendations. Make some suggestions to those in charge that would make the project more successful. Okay, now presenting the report. Drawing up a good report is of little use if it is not presented properly, whether the report is presented orally or published. It is important to keep the report simple yet informative and use supporting aids. Some information might be better presented in the form of diagrams, graphs, or tables. Okay, now examples. Okay, first example here is a diagram showing all your findings. Then we have a table. Okay, then we get 3 types of graphs, and you need to be able to identify these graphs in the test or exam. Bar graph, a pie chart, and then line graphs. I am sure you learned about this in mathematics or any other subject, so this should not be new information. Okay, please do activity 2 on page 181 for me. Again, these activities should be in your book. The moment school reopens, I will be checking each and every book and each and every activity that I have given you.